Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone Narzo 70 Pro with Horizon Glass design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.67 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 92.65% screen to body ratio, approximately 395 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, 2000 nits peak brightness, HDR10+ support, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 OIS wide-angle camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 5.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core 2.6 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, paired with Mali G68MC4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of RAM, with 8 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of onboard storage. No microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.95 by 75.45 by 7.97 mm, and it weighs around 195 grams, and the color options glass green, glass gold colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 67-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme Narzo 70 Pro has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 19,999 Indian rupees, and around $240 and 66,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 21,999 Indian rupees, and around $265 and 73,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo 70 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.